Hey, how do you know what time it is? The wall clock doesn't seem to work.
Oh yeah, it looks like it is broken. The needle does move at all.
Wah, if it's broken like that, why don't we try making it ourselves?
Make your own clock. What do you use? I don't have the electronic for the machine.
No problem. How can we make a clock from simple ingredients?
I happen to have an interesting idea. What if we make it using newspaper?
Old newspaper? Can.
We can really roll the newspaper into an elongated circle, then arrange it according to the horse number.
Well, then in the middle, we'll just give you a simple needle machine.
Interesting too. So, apart from being creative, we can also recycle used goods.
Okay, I'm carrying old newspaper because in my house there are a lot of old newspaper we don't use anymore.
Then we can buy the machine at a stationery shop.
Agreed, we can start tomorrow.
Previously prepare the tools and materials needed.
Use old newspaper.
Clockwork and battery.
Glue.
Some stick ice cream.
Spindle.
Skewers.
Skisher.
First, roll the newspaper one by one. Use skewers.
After there are lots of newspaper stripes, roll them into a circle.
Make a large circle like our clock and make a hole in the middle.
Then make other smile circle.
While making the circle, make numbers with black cardboard.
Then arrange the circles.
The largest is in the middle.
And the smaller ones are circular in the edges. Install the clock machine.
Install the battery too.
Finally finish it making a o'clock from this newspaper.
I think this hour is very useful and also reduce waste.
Although it's from second-hand goods, this watch is very good.
Yes, I learned a lot of ways to manage garbage. Don't forget